We begin with a bizarre turn of events. Things at the Oberlin High School in St. Andrew have become even more mysterious.
This evening, we hear from a student who says she was at home on Wednesday when she fell into a spiritual episode which left her with cuts and caused her to seek divine intervention.
Now, we have distorted her voice to protect her identity. Kelisha Williams has this primetime news exclusive.
Cuts and bruises with little explanation. This teen is the latest piece of the puzzle in the mystery at the Oberlin High School in St. Andrew.
Feels a way like something holding me, you know. I just never feel so right, like somebody was talking to me, and all my hand cut too, you know. Yeah.
How your hand get cut?
Me do it because I was possessed.
But why does she believe she was possessed?
I never feel so well, and I was talking to my parents some ways, and them say something wrong with me, so them rushed with me, go to a church.
Do you remember what happened and what you were saying yesterday? Do you remember anything at all?
I don't remember anything at all, but I think my mama said it was bad, so she had to rush with me. Yes, that was it.
So that's the woman you just dropped down and started?
I never feel good from in the morning. The morning part I never feel good. And my mind said, don't go to school, so I never go.
She said that happened before she was even told about the spiritual episode at the Oberlin High School, which saw some students fainting and acting strangely.
I never know nothing at all what was going on. It's my mama was telling me that something is happening at the school. Like a lot of kids was dropping down, fainting. So I was wondering, what is that? Like, and then it just started, like, me just feel so dizzy.
The student said it was not until she was taken to the church that she started to come to her senses. And now she's traumatized and afraid to return to the institution.
And them keep school today, but I don't go because it's very traumatizing. And I don't think I'm going till Monday to see what happened, you know? Yes, because it's very traumatizing.
So we've been here for a few minutes now, and I can tell you this is as far as our news team could go. The environment is just pretty tense. It's quiet, quite the contrast from what happened here yesterday morning.
I'm glad nobody not die, you know? It could have worse, but I just God works, you understand me?
In Lawrence Tavern nearby, many people were also thankful that none of the students were badly hurt. However, there was still a sense of suspense and fear, and so many parents did not send their children to school.
I am not scared, but I'm scared about my grandson. Yeah, I don't want him to go because he's not covered under no blood like that, so, you know, I don't want him dead because I can't afford to bury him, and I can't even feed him much more for bury him.
My son say he want to go because he have exam. But me still, up to the last moment, me never want to send him. But through him saying I have exam, me still send him same way.
I wouldn't mind all the churches across from Temple Hall to Border right around would gather at Oberlin and pray for God blessing intervention on us. And our children. We love our children and we want to see the best for them.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.